Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting eligibility and permissions out of the way. Make sure your account is 13 or older and phone verified, then turn on voice chat in account settings. Once done, enable your VR headset microphone at the system level and grant Roblox microphone access. Now launch Roblox in VR mode and head straight into a game that lists voice support. You can't activate voice in experiences that don't include it. This sequence gets you to the point where voice is allowed and usable. You now configure the in-game controls for reliable chat. First, open Roblox settings and confirm privacy. Right arrow voice shows Enable Voice Active. This ensures the game will accept audio. Next, make the VR headset mic your active input in the VR system or OS sound menu so Roblox picks it up. Then set voice range and volume inside the experience. Choose proximity or global if offered, and enable spatial audio where available, because spatialization places voices correctly in VR and makes conversations feel natural and local. You finish by testing and resolving common failures. Join a voice-enabled server and speak. Look for the microphone icon or in-game meters to confirm audio is transmitting. If you're silent to others, toggle the voice option off and on, rejoin the session, or restart Roblox and your headset. If problems persist, double-check phone verification status and system-level mic permissions. Finally, reinstall Roblox as a last resort. This sequence gets you live quickly, and the one key tip is to verify account voice eligibility first to avoid wasted steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.